Real quick, I wanted to show you how I coil my rope. So what I do is I take the end of my rope, I pinch it between my fingers like this, and I start wrapping it around my elbow all the way around this. I'm gonna go the full length of the rope until I have just a little bit of tail left, roughly the length of my forearm with a little bit of extra in there for good measure. And then what I'm gonna do is grab the middle of this, I'm gonna pull my arm out, and I'm gonna fold it in half like this. And I'm gonna hold on to this and take that tail that I saved, and I'm gonna wrap it around my rope this. And I can do this a number of times, but I do wanna make sure that I have a good amount of tail left for this last stage. And the last stage is you take a bite on this rope and you pull that through the little loop there, and then you're gonna take that loop and you're gonna pull it down over top of the coil and tighten it up just like that. I'll show you that once again on a smaller rope just so you can kind of see that last step a little bit better. So I've coiled my rope. I'm gonna pull it off. I'm gonna fold it in half like this. I'm gonna take that tail that I've left and I'm gonna wrap it around a bunch of times, just like this. And then that very last step is taking a bite through this little loop right here and then pulling that bite over top of the rope so that I can tighten it just like that. And there we go. We've got a nice clean coil of rope that's not going to come undone when it's in my backpack.